Welcome in, Matthew. Let me know if sound and video are looking okay on your end. Kevin, welcome in. This is eBay break number 12. I didn't realize I did not update the break number, so on the Facebook group there will be two number 12s. But this is the one from tonight. Everybody's coming in. We know which one's live. The one going live on tonight of 10/7. We have our NFL mixer. We have two Panini Prizm Draft Picks blasters, two Elite blasters, two Prestige blasters, and one Chronicles blaster. Welcome back for anybody who just got done participating in the Don Ross 5x blaster break. Pulled almost all of the first round QBs out of that break. Had an insert Lawrence, couple Fields. Did not score any downtowns in that break. Kind of disappointing. Oh, camera keeps going in and out of focus. Let me see if I can fix that for you, Matthew. I'm not exactly sure what it's doing. Usually tends to go okay once the cards get in front of it. Hopefully that is looking okay for you. Let me double check my side here to make sure everything is running the way it should and it's not a bandwidth issue. So let me double check, make sure I'm not missing any eBay messages or Facebook group approvals. Looks like we are good. And I do kind of see that now. Let me see. Jesse's Eagles, Titans, football team, Patriots, and Giants. Good luck, Jesse. Good luck, everybody. If you want to see a card or want me to zoom in on something or show you something again or have questions about a card, definitely throw those out in the chat. If you want to see a specific player, sometimes when you throw those out in the chat, they also seem to show up. Matthew, is that looking better for you there? Or Jesse, audio, video looking like we should or like we did? We will get started. Matthew's got the Packers and just missed out on the Seahawks. I know that's how it goes every time, especially when I'm bidding. Think I'm going to win a team and last minute sniping coming in. All right, so if it's okay with you guys, we will go kind of right to left here in the break order. I'm going to start with the Prestige, then we'll do the Elite. We'll pick up the Chronicles before we do the Prizm. So, let's get ripping. Pack number 1, we're looking for Prestige or blaster number 1, 8 packs a box, 8 cards per pack. Should have diamond parallels exclusive in the blasters. I have pulled Mims out of these blasters. If we get a hottest or Mim cards and numbered cards as well out of this one. So, let's get something awesome to start off with. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get ripping. Pack number 1 of the second break of the evening. Starts off with Taysom Hill, Saints. Brown, Titans. Gilmore going to the Pats. There's our first insert. Any given Sunday. Rondé Barber going to the Buccaneers. Rookie out of this pack is Des Fitzpatrick to the Titans. Back to base, Stafford, Rams, Swift, Tigers, Sanders to the Bills. In these packs, generally, we get one insert and one rookie, and the rest is base. If we get lucky, we can get a rookie insert or a numbered rookie or something of that nature. But on general, one rookie per pack, so the rookies in this product can be a little harder to find. Cousin in Vikings. This has our first diamond parallel in this pack. Adam Seahawks. Josh Jacobs. Is our diamond a rookie? It is not. It is Anton Wilfield Jr. going to the Bucks in diamond parallel version. Our rookie in this pack is Gary Brightwell, headed to the Giants. T. Higgins, Philip Lindsay, Jamie Collins, Lions. Jalen Hurts, second year to the Eagles. Williams to the Jets. James to the Chargers. Here is a highlight reels insert. Lamar Jackson headed to the Ravens. Rookie is Josh Palmer to the Chargers. Prescott. Jones to the Dolphins. Humphrey to the Ravens. Traquan Smith to the Saints. Wagner, Seahawks. James, Chargers. Diamond is Koo the kicker to the Falcons. Harris, rookie to the Rams. Pittman Jr. to the Colts. Judy to the Broncos. And Woods to the Rams. Halfway through our first Prestige Blaster. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Jalen Hurts again to the Eagles. Warner to the Niners. There is a time-stamped DK Metcalf headed to the Seahawks. Rookie in this pack is Greg Newsome to the Browns. Base Golf. Lawrence Cowboys. Boyd Bengals. Gilmore headed to the Pats. Adams to the Seahawks. Edelman, Patriots. There is our first franchise favorites. That is Kirk Cousins going to the Vikings as insert form. Rookie is John Bates to the tight end for the Washington football team. CEH to the Chiefs. Buda Baker to the Cardinals. CeeDee Lamb, Boys. Kenyon Drake to the Raiders. Chase Claypool, Steelers. Gardner Minshew, Jags. Here is a prestigious pros. That is Drew Brees headed to the Saints. Osai going to the Bengals and rookie. Gaskin, Dolphins. Queen, Ravens. Hilton, Colts. Kid Reporter. Last pack of the first blaster. Starts off with Tom Brady to the Bucks. Dalvin Cook to the Vikings. There's an Antonio Gibson to the football team. There is a diamond rookie. That is Cornell Powell. Diamond rookies are kind of difficult to pull, so we'll sleeve that one up. If you have not broken with me before, all rookies and inserts, parallels will be sleeved at a minimum. Top load all the big hits as well. Package them up in bubble wrap and a poly mailer and send them out to you. St. Brown, rookie for the Lions. Sutton, headed to the Broncos. Cup, Rams. Hawkinson, Tigers. So that concludes blaster number 1. Not terrible. No numbered cards. No mem card out of the first blaster. Let's look for some of that out of this second Prestige blaster. That would be nice. We did get a rookie diamond parallel, which are hard to pull. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aaron Jones to the Packers. Denzel Mims, Jets. Austin Hooper, Browns. There is a Deebo Samuel diamond parallel. Rookie Sage Surratt to the Lions. Robert Woods, Rams. Jared Goff, Lions. DeMarcus Lawrence, Cowboys. Ryan Tannehill to the Titans. Kamara, Saints. Cousins, Vikings. Here is a time-stamped Kittle, headed to the Niners. Rookie is Tyson Campbell, headed to the Jags. Boyd, Bengals. CEH, Chiefs. Buda Baker, Cardinals. Vinovich to the Patriots. Connor to the Cardinals. Schobert to the Jags. Diamond parallel. Quentin Nelson headed to the Colts. Penei Sewell headed to the Lions. CeeDee Lamb Boys. Myles Gaskin Dolphins. Patrick Queen Ravens. Winfield Jr. to the Buccaneers. George Kittle to the Niners. Aaron Rodgers to the Packers. Here is a prestigious pros. This one also goes to the Saints. And it is Cameron Jordan. I think that's our second prestigious pros going the Saints' way. Tommy Tremble goes to the Panthers in rookie form. T.Y. Hilton to the Colts. Cortland Sutton to the Broncos. Cooper Kupp to the Rams. Barr to the Vikings. Beckham to the Browns. Ferkser to the Titans. Here is our first Heroes of the evening. I do like these inserts as well. That Heroes will go to the Cowboys with Ezekiel Elliott. Kwity Paye is our rookie. Going to the Colts. Hockenson, Lions. Vander Esch, Cowboys. Hurst, Falcons. So Ezekiel Elliott Hero out of that pack. Jamal Adams, Seahawks. Adam Thielen, Vikings. Damian Harris, Patriots. Here's our first powerhouse. It is Mr. McCaffrey going to the Panthers. Rookie in this one is Farley to the Titans. There's a Patty Mahomes going to the Chiefs. Chandler Jones to the Cardinals, and Amari Cooper to the Cowboys. 2 packs left of this Prestige Blaster. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Josh Allen, Jags. Devin White, Buccaneers. Diamond parallel is a rookie. Nice one. Rondell Moore, rookie diamond parallel to the Cardinals. That is a nice looking card as well. Regular rookie is Terrace Marshall Jr. going to the Panthers. Tua to the Dolphins. Dobbins to the Ravens. And Brown to the Panthers. So there's a rookie diamond parallel. Headed the Cardinals' way. Last pack of Prestige. See what we can rip out of this one. We start off with a Debo to the Niners. Tanyan to the Packers. Hunter, Vikings. There's a Any Given Sunday. Jerome Bettis going to the Steelers. Dwamie Brown going to the football team. Koo to the Falcons. Honey Badger to the Chiefs. And Williams to the Lions. Wraps up our Prestige from this break. We will move on. Oh, as I move the camera here. We will move on to the Elite. Elite, we should get 1 numbered card per blaster. It will either be in Shimmer Aspirations or Status Explosions. Status Explosions are numbered to $2.99. Shimmer Aspirations, $4.99. We have 5 cards per pack, 4 power cards per box. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Also looking for the super short print Razzle Dazzle. If we pull one of those, that would be nice out of here. And there we go. There are 4 packs with an empty box. We'll rip right from the top here. Good luck on the Elite, everyone. We started off with Matt Ryan to the Falcons. We have a Justin Jefferson to the Vikings. Here's our green parallel out of here. It is a green parallel rookie in Micah Parsons, so that's a nice rookie. Insert is Jalen Hurts to the Eagles. And behind that, we have a Zeke base going to the Cowboys. So we did pull a green rookie parallel out of that first pack. And Parson going to the Cowboys. Next pack of Elite. We started off with Heineke to the football team. Here is a Brandon Cooks to the Texans. Green parallel is Shark to the Jags. There is a Field Visions insert going to the Colts with Peyton Manning. And we wrap this pack up with a Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Nick Bosa to the Niners. There's a Patty Mahomes in base form going to the Chiefs. Here is our numbered card out of this pack, or this blaster. It is a rookie. It is a status explosion, so the lower numbered of the two. And a rookie, J.C. Horn, status explosion going to the Carolina Panthers. Very nice card. This one is numbered 221 out of 275. So we did get our numbered card, and it was in rookie form. And it was the lower of the two options out of the blaster numbers as well. So nice pull here for the Panthers with a J.C. Horn status explosion. Very nice. Congrats to the Panthers. Behind that is our first spellbound of the evening. It is going to the Niners with Jerry Rice. And Aaron Donald heads to the Rams. Last pack of this first Elite Blaster. We started off with Joe Montana going to the Niners. Here's an Aaron Rodgers to the Packers. Here's a green Jalen Hurts parallel to the Eagles. First full throttle of the evening is Alvin Kamara headed to the Saints. And we wrap this blaster up with a Devin White to the Buccaneers. First Elite Blaster down. Elite Blaster number 2 headed your way. Pull another rookie numbered will be nice. How about 2 numbered out of this blaster? That would be even better. There's our empty box and our 4 packs. We're going to rip from the top. Devontae Adams, Packers. Sam Darnold, Panthers. Our numbered card is in the first pack. It is an Aspirations. Jerry Rice going to the 49ers. This one is numbered 329 out of 499. So there is our numbered card for this blaster. In the Shimmer Aspirations. Aspirations Shimmer, however you want, whatever order you would like to say those in. Going to the Niners. Congratulations, Niners, on the numbered card. Behind the Jerry Rice numbered, we have dual threats, ODB, Odell Beckham Jr. going to the Browns, and a base Ben Roethlisberger to the Steelers. Second pack of this blaster. Started off with Khalil Mack for the Bears. Calvin Ridley to the Falcons. Here is a green Brett Favre parallel for the Packers. Field Visions, Tom Brady headed to the Buccaneers in insert form. And we also have a spellbound in this pack as well. Joe Montana also going to the Niners. And we wrap this pack up with Daniel Jones. Next to last Elite pack. Joey Bosa to the Chargers. Dalvin Cook to the Vikings. Green Seth Williams rookie. We have a Dak Prescott in Elite. Nice looking silver Dak Prescott. And behind that is DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. start this last Elite pack off with Derrick Henry for the Titans, Jared Goff for the Lions. There's green, parallel Alvin Kamara to the Saints. There's a full throttle McCole Hardman going to the Chiefs. And we wrap up the Elite packs with a Matthew Stafford for the Rams. So those are our Elite packs. 2 blasters of Elite complete. We're going to switch and pick up this Chronicles before we go to the Prizm draft picks. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Should have blaster exclusives. I believe these are pink. Yeah, pink parallels in these blasters of Chronicles. Should see a lot more of those rookie names that everybody's looking for out of these last 3 blasters. 1, 2, 3, 4, empty box. We will start from the top. Chronicles pack number 1. Starts with the Seth Williams in Chronicles form. There's our first Trevor Lawrence in Donruss form, also pink. We have a Rookie in Stars, Javonte Williams. We have a Illusions Trevor Lawrence also in this pack. And we wrap this first pack up with a Jamar Chase Flux. So 2 Trevors in the first Chronicles pack. We have the nice Illusions and the pink Donruss. Not a terrible way to start off the Chronicles packs. Next Chronicles pack. Does not want to open for me on that end. Let's see if I can get her from this side. We have a Select at the back for sure. There's a Justin Fields in Score form. There's a Najee Harris in Donruss. We have a Rookie in Stars, Zach Wilson. There's a Javonte Williams in the Recon. And our Select is Kyle Trask. 3 quarterbacks in that pack. First Wilson of the evening is in Rookie in Stars form. And Justin Fields in Score. We start this one off with Justin Fields in Prestige. Then we have a pink Prestige Etienne to the Jags. There's a Rookie in Stars Seth Williams. There's a Rashad Bateman in the Spectra. Actually, this is a Silver Spectra. That is Mac Jones Silver Spectra. Nice Mac Silver Spectra. Nice card. Fields in the Prestige. Last Chronicles pack before we move on to Prizm draft picks. Kellen Mond. Backwards cards usually mean something in this. And it does. There is a pink Josh Palmer rookie signatures. Corners do look like they have a little bit of white on both top left and right corners, but nevertheless, it is a rookie signatures out of Chronicles. Believe Mr. Palmer is headed to the Chargers. Pink rookie signatures out of the Chronicles blaster. Nice card. And behind that, we have Rondell Moore, Rookies and Stars. Here's a pink Illusions, Kyle Pitts. That's a nice pink card. And we have another pink card, and this one is pink. Patrick Surtain in the rated rookie optics going to the Broncos. So that was a pretty sweet pack overall right there, that last pack of Chronicles. Signature, 2 pinks. We will move on to the Prizms and hope for packs like that. In the Prizm blasters, we should get 1 purple wave on average. We would like that to be a rookie. Should also have green parallels. If we get a green, they will be blaster exclusives numbered to 25. Purples are 1 per box on average. I have pulled multiples out of a blaster, so let's see if we can do that. Looking for the ultra rare on campus. We pull one of those, that would be nice as well. 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. On to the Prizm draft picks. Started off with Brandon Cooks. Dak Prescott, we have a silver to start off with, and it is Chase Claypool, headed to the Steelers in silver form. There's a Crusade Sage Surratt and a Kellen Mond rookie. Start this pack off with Jerry Jeudy to the Broncos, Baker Mayfield to the Browns. I just felt a little thick. There's a Russell Wilson green, headed to the Seahawks. Owasu Koromoa rookie, headed right in front of a Kenneth Gainwell, going to the Eagles in All-American form. Kenyon Drake, Alvin Kamara. We have a green Jamie Newman Crusade, J.C. Horn base rookie, and Terrace Marshall Jr. base rookie to the Panthers. Halfway through the first draft picks blaster, Tyler Lockett, headed to the Seahawks. This one has our purple wave. Before the purple wave is Aaron Jones. Let's hope for a rookie. It is Saquon Barkley, veteran, purple wave to the Giants. Rookie Kyle Pitts to the Falcons, and a Trey Sermon to the 49ers. Start this pack off with Julio. There's a Carson Wentz, green Kittle to the Niners, Crusade Jalen Waddle to the Dolphins, and All-Americans Patrick Surtain to the Broncos. Last pack in this Prizm blaster. Larry Fitz, Jimmy G, green Javon Holland rookie, followed up by a Sean Wade rookie and Rakeem Boyd. So that is the first blaster of Prizm draft picks. We will move on to the final Prizm draft picks blaster, final blaster of the evening. Thank you guys so much for breaking with me. Couldn't do it without you. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, you can shoot me an eBay message, Facebook message. Find my contact information on the website Insanespiv.com. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The break videos will also be uploaded to YouTube, hopefully this evening. So if you want to watch replays, they will stay on the Facebook group, but they will also be uploaded to YouTube on my YouTube channel. Start this one off with Drew Lock. Zeke going to the boys. Here is a silver. It is a Trey Sermon rookie going to the Niners. All-American Sean Wade and Carlos Basham Jr. Calvin Ridley, Joey B, green David Johnson. There's a Owa rookie and a Crusade Greg Rousseau. We start this pack off with Odell Beckham Jr. Some major print lines on that one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but some of these veterans, the print lines are horrendous in this Prizm this year. Matthew Stafford, Green rookie Olajare. Nice green rookie. Behind that is a Rondell Moore All-Americans. And behind that is Mac Jones base. So the Patriots pick up a Mac Jones base out of that pack. Justin Herbert. Here's our purple wave for the blaster. Cam Akers. It is a rookie because it's an insert. So let's see who the purple wave is. Purple wave. All-American Najee Harris going to the Steelers. That is a nice purple wave. Rookie insert. Purple wave. First rounder even at that. So liking this one. Congratulations, Steelers, on the Najee Harris purple wave. Sure beats a veteran purple wave. That's a nice card. Congratulations, Steelers. Behind that, we have an All-Americans Bateman and a Sage Surratt rookie. Myles Garrett. There's a Fuller, a green Kamara. We have a Javon Holland base and a Jamie Newman Crusade. Last pack of the break. Once again, thank you guys for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions. Drew Brees starts this pack off, followed by Michael Pittman Jr. Here's a green All-American Mac Jones, another Patriot card. So there is a green insert. First round quarterback headed to the Patriots. Nice Patriots card. Congratulations. Follow that up with a Trey Sermon going to the Niners. And last card of the evening is Greg Rousseau going to the Bills. Thank you very much, guys, and I will catch you next time.